Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm up at Dogwood Trace. We've done some work on our rain catchment system up here, and I thought I'd do a short video and let you see what we've done. As you can see, we have a 36-foot long house here, and from one end to the other we have a gutter on that metal roof. And right there coming out of the gutter, by the way, those are 6-inch gutters. Otherwise they'd probably be overwhelmed. Coming out of that, we have a first flush system right there that comes down, and that gets all the dirty water, the first part of the water, off of the roof. Any kind of bird droppings or any kind of soil in there or something, you know, that would soil the water, let's say. And it goes in there first, and then it comes, when it fills up, it comes out and it goes over across our feed tube here. But I wanted you to see what we did here, and you can see an incline, a drop there from the top to the bottom. And so we did this hoping that whenever it rained, that it would fill this first barrel and then come back up the top here. See if I can get my finger here. Come back up this pipe and then continue down this other direction. And so each of these pipes are progressively shorter until you get to the very end. And then, of course, whenever it does fill up, it'll just overflow. Now, what I intend to do is put a overflow right here on the side and run it out. I just haven't done that yet. But we will have the capacity then to catch 1,320 gallons. Those are 330-gallon totes. And so we painted them black so that algae won't grow in them. And you can see that I put an old Ford wheel there off of my old Ford truck. I had 6 extras, so I hung one there to hang our hoses. And you can see we have the capacity here to run water, and this tank is full right here, this first one, and I'm running water down here, down the hill to these other two, and I'm going to fill them up and flush them out. They came with food grade peroxide in them, but it's a bit concentrated, and so we'll dilute it and then it'll be fine and you'll be able to flush it out. So I'm running water down there, just natural gravity feed, to fill those up and flush them out. We'll incorporate them probably right here and catch water off of the side of the water room there. And so that's what we intend to do, and that's what we're doing so far. Well, I hope that short little video helped you out. We are really excited about being able to catch water off of our roof. We use it for all kinds of things around here, and could even use it in a pinch, you know, in a grid down situation as alternate water. We don't really intend to, but we could. Hey, leave me a comment or a suggestion if you have something about how this might work better. Thanks again for watching. God bless you. Have a great day.